Hey guys, just wanted to give you a little glimpse of Alaska today and listen to the birds singing. They're really going at it today. So nice out, so beautiful. I mean, we're having the warmest weather we've had, like 80. Never gets to 70, much less 80. So cool. So anyway, let's get started. Hey guys, this is Cheryl Traxler coming to you from Alaska. 7 grandkids love to have that freedom, the entrepreneur, and how do you have an automated system that brings in sales for you? Well, I'm going to show you with the Power Lead system how you can do that. We have a training area that, as you can see on our training tab, once inside your back office, you have access to so much training, and knowledge is power, no doubt. If you focus, you can do amazing things. Now here, let's click on the training tab. We have weekly trainings, and we will go into our training system. And as you can see, all the tabs, we want the replays. Every single week, we've got replays. We have training every week. And if you can get people to this training right here, then you can earn a full-time income. And I'm not kidding you, because this guy walks you through everything, what to do. Very simple, very easy, very duplicatable. And that's when we like it. It's fun. It's a duplication system. And if you can get into a system that your team can duplicate, then you've got it. And we have the ability for you to earn a full-time income here. So the training is simple and easy, and absolutely, we even have a brand new interview series as well. So you've got this 24/7 viral cash system that runs itself, because you just need a share code, which is one of the powerful things about the Power Lead system. You can use these share codes to duplicate your 6-figure income earners funnel that they're using to earn good money with, and boom, you've got it, and you're earning good money. Now, how cool is that? You can duplicate that in seconds, really, in your back office. It's very simple. Now, here is my page for the video. That is an excellent inside page, which is part of our funnel that you will have access to, that creates incredible sales for you. This is beautiful. Absolutely. The Power Lead system has been around for 6 years. Every Wednesday, people are paid for 6 years. It continues to do what it's supposed to. So it's an excellent tool. If you're on the internet and you want to make money, you've got to have a tool like this. And this one has such support and the ability to take a brand newbie, and it works. We have a Facebook 45,000 people inside, so no one is left behind. You will get all kinds of help. I'll help you. The system helps you. The trainings every week are powerful, excellent, and you gain knowledge every time you go to one, and it just makes it, gives you what you need. You're not wondering what to do. You know what to do. We have so much in here for you to do what you've got to do. It's automated. See, and that's the beauty. It's duplicatable. And that makes it, and let's go to the money. Let's go to the money real quick here. I have this all set up, and you can too, where it teaches you about how you earn just 3 people, and your membership is free. How awesome is that? You get 50% matching bonus. Let's say you have 5 people that join you because of our incredible viral cash system, and they get to see your cool page that your 6-figure income earners are using, and they sign up and they take off, they focus, and they get it done. If they're making, let's say they make $2,000 a month, guess how much you're going to make? $1,000 just from one of those. If that's what they're making. If they're making $500, you make $250. But you can see how that 50% matching bonus can really add up. That doesn't count the people that you're getting in and growing from that. That's extra cash. So that is why you can get a full-time income with this system, because we have the ability for you to earn incredibly. You ought to go here and listen to the comp plan, because it's important that this system can also give you the full-time income, because then if you have other things you want to promote and do, that's even more. Multiple income streams is very important. And I just recommend that, and I really appreciate you coming to my video, and you subscribe to my channel below and go to my princessbosslady.com and join. Go to this page and look it over and join us. And thank you so much for watching.